Hey guys, today I will let you know that guys, because many iPhone users reporting that on their iPhone showing charging but battery percentage level not increasing. So guys, if you are facing the similar kind of the issue, no matter how long the phone remains plugged in and the battery percentage seems to stay the same on your iPhone, so guys, don't worry, I will give you the 2-3 fixes so you can revive your iPhone and the battery percentage will definitely increase. So guys, first thing first, you just go and clean your charging port. So how do you clean, guys? So for that, because see, for cleaning the charging port, if your iPhone is showing charging but not increasing the battery percentage, it might be time to clean out the charging port, because over time might be the dust and debris can accumulate in this area, so which can stop your phone's ability to charge properly. So guys, just you have in your home, just take that any toothbrush, the old toothbrush, and you can just try to clean your charging port. So yeah, you can just clean like that. So if you have that old the toothbrush, you can go and you can just clean it. Otherwise you can also just take that any the cotton, and all, through cotton also you can just clean that. After that you can go and just use that this in the plug, and you can just go and try. This method will resolve your issue. So guys, if it is not resolved by using this method, I will give you the second method. So second method, you can just try to force restart on your iPhone. So for force restart, just press the volume up button and volume down and press the side button until your iPhone logo appears on a screen. And now you can see the iPhone logo appears on my screen, and then you can release the button. But just try to make a note that whenever your phone you kept on charging, don't use your iPhone on charging. So please make a note that. And also guys, please make note that whatever you're using the charging cable, please use that whatever the iPhone provided charger. And the last one, just guys, if you find that your iPhone is showing charging but the battery percentage not increasing, it's a good idea to check is there any software update on your iPhone or not. If it is update available, just go install and update, guys. In my case, I have already updated. So guys, this way you can fix your iPhone that is showing charging but the battery percentage not increasing. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.